Watch the full video to see how these tourists survived a rather serious elephant charge in Kruger National Park, South Africa, while on a walking safari. Although this happened some time ago, there has recently been a huge outcry on social media regarding the incident. Some people even suggested that the elephant recognized the gun. There were even death threat comments, which of course, were not approved by the admins. Here is what happened according to the guide. The reason for the bull advancing on us became evident later, when we were told by the clients that one member of the group had tried to run down the riverbank and another had moved position. We were not aware of this during the encounter, as we were approximately 4 to 5 meters in front of the clients, focusing entirely on the elephant's actions. Both clients were held still by other members of the group, as per our pre-trail briefing. This can be seen in the clip, where the elephant reacts to the persons moving across and in front of the camera. At this stage, it was critical for the guides to concentrate on the potential threat and deter the situation, which we did. The elephant then backed up and moved off. We continued our walk after the excitement within the clients had returned to normal. I reiterated at this point to the clients the importance of not moving or generating noise during such an encounter. The elephant was not provoked or harmed in any way.
We don't taunt elephants. We were sitting here minding our own self. He came to us.
That's not general enough. I don't know what it is. Isn't that beautiful?
Everybody's feeling more relaxed now.
Take note of the guy with the gray hair as he measures the distance between the ranger and the elephant at the closest charge point. Only 12 feet.
Okay, well there we go. I think that's that one sorted out.
What would you have done in this situation? Please comment below.